Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another new box for you. This box was sent to me for review. This box is going to be amazing. I can tell. This box is jeweled by Jupiter. I have been anxiously awaiting this box because I just happen to love jewels. So let me tell you a little bit about this box before we get to the opening of this box. This box is a monthly trending jewelry and accessories gift box. Self-care, beauty, grooming items for men and women. Now they do have two boxes, and the Jeweled by Jupiter box is $34.99, and you receive up to 3 pieces of jewelry, fashion accessories, and a carefully selected beauty / grooming product. You also receive the monthly glow up card with 3 to 4 focused self-care tips and motivational affirmation statements to help you meet your self-love goals each month. So that was the Jeweled by Jupiter box, and that is $34.99 a month, and that light is bothering me. And then we have the Studded and Swag box, and that is $39.99 a month. And it says, keep calm. The Jeweled by Jupiter box is not just for the ladies. Men like jewelry too. You also deserve to be appreciated. We have specially curated boxes for men and anyone who desires a more masculine, dominant style and approach. And then it says, side note, disclaimer, dominance can be achieved without sacrificing femininity. But for inclusion purposes, I am using those two words interchangeably. The Studded and Swag box will also feature 1 grooming product and self-care tips / motivational encouragement cards to build a consistent appreciation for all that you do. And that box is $39.99 a month. So it says you get, if you subscribe now, treat yourself or someone else to our Jeweled by Jupiter box. Who doesn't like jewelry? This is an exciting new way to show appreciation and care while gifting amazing jewelry, fashion and beauty / grooming accessories, and showcase self-care tips and motivational goals for improving quality of life. And it says a free birthday surprise gift and a birthday card, high quality jewelry and accessories in the latest trends, create consistent and effective gratitude / appreciation, add something new each month to accent your style or completely switch it up. High quality beauty / grooming self-care items that you'll love. So this is a brand new box, and let's get into this box. Oh, and there is a code on Cratejoy you can use, and it is use code FIRST25 FIRST25 at checkout to get a special discount. So you can put that in if you'd like to order this box, and I will leave the link down below for you to do so. And here is our box. Got a card on top. Let's open this up. And right on the top it is filled. Okay, so let's see what we have here. And this says exclusive membership savings, and save $5 on the Jeweled by Jupiter website. So there, that is their website. It is www.jeweledbyjupiter.com. You can check them out there, or you can find their wonderful box on Cratejoy. And on the back, there's a little message. Jeweled by Jupiter, exclusive membership services. Subscribe now. Our jewelry selection is top quality, and with all of the trending styles you'll love. Each month, you'll be gifted with 3 pieces of jewelry and accessories, a glow-up card featuring self-care tips, positive affirmations, and life gems to motivate you to be good to yourself and live your best life. Members also get a birthday surprise gift, a birthday card during their birthday month. Refer a friend, and both of you get 10 off for 3 months. So there you go. That's awesome, awesome. So we have some things that we need to look at. And first I have Sassy and Chic Nail Grooming Kit. And these look like butterflies. And that is, you get 7 pieces. And that's, I believe that's cuticle pusher, nail clipper, emery boards. Yeah. Cool, cool. 4 fun-shaped nail files, a nail clipper, cuticle trimmer, and an emery board. That's cool. I always need these in my life. My nails, I gotta keep them nice and neat and clean. So I like that. And then we get the bath bomb. Well, it's called Bath Burst, and it is perfect. It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so I like that. That's a nice little touch. Nice, I like that. Drop Bath Burst into your bath to add a wonderful scent to your body and bath. Cool, I like that. All right, and then I have a fragrance sachet. I think that's how you say it, sachet. I think it is bamboo fragrance sachet. That smells wonderful. Put it in trash can, closet, your car, or a gift basket. And then it says warning, not for consumption. But I like that. Put that in my dresser drawer. That smells awesome. Okay, now to the good part, guys. And I'm going to show you. There is all of my jewelry. I can't wait. What is this? Okay, this is a little, it's like a little plastic card, and I'm going to read that to you. It says, you can do anything. Stay positive no matter what is going on in your life. There is nothing that you can't overcome with strength of heart and a little bit of courage. You are a unique and talented individual who has everything it takes to succeed in this life. Just believe in yourself with everything you've got, and you will find greatness in every way, every day. So there's that card. Nice little affirmation card. And on the back, you can send it to someone, and it's a wallet card. You keep it in your wallet to remind yourself. Okay, let's get into this jewelry. They come in these nice, neat boxes. I like that added touch. It's nice to see that they take really good care of their jewelry. They put it in boxes instead of putting it in bags. I like that. Very, very nice touch that keeps the jewelry safe too. So let's open this. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that. And I'm glad that I have a black shirt on so that you guys can see the beauty of this bracelet. Isn't that just so beautiful? Trying to get it closer so you guys can see it. I will take pictures and put them in at the end so that you can see. How pretty is that? That is just so pretty. I love that. Absolutely beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. And I'm not sure how I how I put it on. Oh wait, I think I know how. You gotta kind of, come on now. We want to put you on. Come on. Alrighty. Well, it is my fault that I cannot get this. Aha, I figured it out. Okay, so you just like snap it open and then you put it on. Let me see if I can put it on for you guys. Or if my wrists are not going to work out today. Come on now. Ouch. Got my finger caught, sorry. You hear my husband in the background, I'm very sorry. He's got potty mouth sometimes. But there, I got it on. I put it on right around my sweater. Isn't that beautiful? That is just, that's an amazing piece of jewelry. I love that. So, it just popped off though. No fault of the jewelry, but isn't that just so beautiful? I love that. That is beautiful. I am so grateful that this was sent to me. It's absolutely beautiful. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna put that right back in the box so it stays safe and protected. But that is very beautiful. And the curator, her name is Erica. And Erica, this is beautiful. I really like this. Thank you very much for sharing your box with me. I really love this. It is very cute. Very nice. Very nice. I love it. Although, there we go. I had it all discombobulated. There we go. There. I think that's a better way for you guys to see it and appreciate it. It is so cute. Oh, I got one up there. It's not supposed to be up there. There we go. There we go. We got it now. We're okay now. Isn't that beautiful? I'm trying to give you guys a good visual of it. It's very, very beautiful. Okay, next piece. That piece has just got me. I am just very happy with that piece. Okay. Next one. Oh my goodness. Let me get it set up for you. It is one of the lariat style bracelet. Come on now. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? I feel like the light is not doing it any justice whatsoever. Let me see if I can put this on and then I will be able to show you guys better. Okay. There we go. And I'm trying to figure out how to put it on by myself. Okay, there we go. There, isn't that beautiful? And there is the underneath. It has the little lariat. I think that's what they call it, lariat style bracelet. And then there is, I want to say it's like druzy stone. I want to say that's what that stone is, but I'm not entirely sure. But it is pretty. There we go. Now I got it. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love that. That is amazing. Very beautiful. Okay, one more piece of jewelry. And this is in a long box, so that leads me to believe that this is a necklace. And it is a necklace. Oh my goodness gracious. This is beautiful. There is, isn't that cute? It is got a pink stone in it. Very, very nice. Very nice. I really like this. Now I have to put this on. So we're going to take this one off. Come on. If I can get my own necklace off, we'll be okay. Ow. I poked myself. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to pause the video so I... Okay, I finally got it. So there is the necklace, and I will try and show you that way. It's very pretty. I do like that. I did get the bracelet on. Let me zoom you back out. There we go. That is very pretty. And I got this one on as well. So there are the 3 pieces, the necklace and the 2 bracelets. Very, very beautiful. That was an amazing box. I am so thankful for Erica, the curator of Jeweled by Jupiter, to send me this box. Amazing. 2 thumbs up. You guys, if you really love jewelry, then you will love this box. This box is very well put together. I love the presentation, and the jewelry is amazing. And I especially love the bracelets. The bracelets are, they are so beautiful. I love the rose gold. That is probably my favorite, is the rose gold. These are so beautiful. And this little pink stone is so cute. So cute. So, oh, I didn't even have it hooked. That's okay. You guys saw it. There we go. Now, that is just amazing. Very, very beautiful. Beautiful jewelry. I love it. So, like I said, if you would like to get your own Jeweled by Jupiter, I will put the link to get you pointed in the right direction to get your own box for $34.99 a month. And if you use the code on Cratejoy for the first 25, you will get a special discount on your first box, so that after you get your first box, then you can decide. And I have a feeling you're going to decide to keep this box, because this box is really amazing and I love it. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to check out Jeweled by Jupiter, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and give me a thumbs up and let me know that you enjoyed this video. And I'm trying to think of anything else that I have to tell you guys. And again, I would like to thank Erica at Jeweled by Jupiter one more time. I truthfully appreciated this, and I love this box. Great job. Keep it up. This was amazing. Everything about it was amazing. It's very personal. Very, very nice box. Way to go. I hope that you keep going on your wonderful subscription box adventure, and you will be a big hit. Trust me, you're gonna go far, and I love it. I just love bringing out the new boxes and showing my subscribers the new boxes. Okay, guys, I've rambled on long enough. I know, I'm just kind of overly excited. All right, guys, that is it. I am keeping this bracelet on because I love it. It's very beautiful. I will see you guys in another video real soon. Okay. I was going to say something and I forgot again. Okay, guys. Yep, I can't remember. Must be my age. All right, guys. I will see you in another video real soon.